We're a family-owned business. We've always been a wholesale fabricator. We went to the local kitchen and bath dealers, and as we added other products, they used us because they liked working with us. We are a Cambria Lexus partner. We have 4 showrooms around Michigan, between Michigan, Ohio, and Indiana. Those showrooms are Cambria only, and it gives the customers the ability to come look at a larger format piece. Out of this location here, we have 16 crews that leave every morning and cover mid-Michigan and Metro Detroit area. With the satellite operations, it's been a very good business model for us. Inventory is huge. We have about 2,100 slabs under cover. We pride ourselves in the fact that we have some of every single design that Cambria offers. We have the slabsmith area, which is a photo booth where every slab that comes in gets a photos taken of it so that it can go into production, and that's where it gets barcoded. A key to our success is number one's been our people. Our people are everything. The second thing is staying on top of technology and not being scared of technology. We've been automated with our templating since day one. We went totally digital by 2006. All of our tooling and the exactness of the CNC is the only way to do it. And with the Zoller, that is a very important piece of the whole puzzle, because it takes the guess and the guesswork of setup. Everything comes back to a baseline 0, and the finish has been premium. Having the Zoller, we never lose any time on a machine. The technology's kept us right up to, we're getting longer wear on our tooling, we're getting better quality profiles out of our tooling, and the CNCs run all the time. There's never any downtime. Every profile on all 6 machines looks the same. Our first Northwood CNC is about 10 years old. The last 2 came in about a year and a half ago. We're a facility, we run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once we started with Northwood, we've really liked to stay with the same. We like to stay loyalty. Means a lot to us as a family business. And we've added the saw jets through Northwood. And now all 8 machines are Northwood machines, and now I can call up one vendor and they know that I'm here. You know, they know who I am, and they know they're familiar with us, and they take care of us. And it just has been a very good relationship that way, because you don't get shuffled between vendors. You have one vendor to take care of. Just recently, we've added our the Raptor, the twin table Raptor, to our shop. The new technology of the Raptor, the new software, the tooling, the ability to miter and water jet miter, just totally fit in it. We're a custom shop. We do a premium product, and our customers demand a lot of mitering. The many benefits of the larger Raptor is we run a jumbo size slab, and we have no limitations. We can cut in any corner of that slab and miter or water jet or saw jet. We don't have any limitation, and that combination of the Northwood saw jet and the KMT intensifier is incredible. The machines run like a workhorse. We've converted our shop over. We're just about 100% LED lighting. We have wall light, we have ceiling light, we have switchable lights to give you the different looks and to be able to inspect things the way you want to inspect them. We've stayed in front of technology, and you're always looking for what's the next thing. The high speed is going to be our next low-hanging fruit to get us to that point where we can get the next growth of business, still keep lead times, and probably ultimately shorten lead times, because we're going to be able to shave a day or 2 off our shop time with the high-speed tooling, and move on to that to get us to our next level that we need to be at. If we do anything in-house here, it's always referred to as the Blasius Way. You know, we just got to do it right. You always come full circle around to quality is first, and you got to do what we refer to as the Blasius Way.